Yes, sir.
Let's go ahead and call that case.
Yes, sir. In cause number 2018-0D01605, State of Texas versus Sergio Machado. Announcement of council, please.
Dollar taken for the state. State is ready. Oh, I think Mr. Velarde's on mute.
I think you need to unmute yourself, Mr. Velarde.
Should be lower left.
Oh, Judge, it is. It was hitting me in the face. Judge, good morning. Ray
Good
Velarde,
morning.
Sergio Machado.
Okay, I've got a note that this is a hearing to consider modifying the terms and conditions of probation. So I guess who is asking for the modifications, the state or the defense?
The defense, Your Honor.
Okay, then Mr. Velarde, I'll hear from you first.
Your Honor, yes, sir. As a preliminary matter, Your Honor, I'll represent to the court that Mr. Machado is unavailable on account of the fact that he's out of the country. He is en route to Delhi, India, New Delhi, India, as we speak. And I don't know if the court wants to hear the case without his presence, but I'm ready to proceed.
Well, I'm not sure I do want to hear it without him, but let's talk about his unavailability a little bit more.
Yeah.
What's going on in India and how long is he going to be in India? And
Okay, Judge. First of all, Mr. Machado works for an outfit, a global entity that is based in Europe and in Southeast Asia. And he was called to a special meeting in New Delhi. This morning, he called me from Finland. He was already en route over there. And he indicated to me that he won't be back in Madrid, Spain, where he is based, until next Tuesday, in which case he would then be available beginning next Wednesday. He has been allowed to travel all over the world with this company that he works with.
okay, tell me just generally what modifications you're seeking.
Judge, he was placed on probation approximately 5 years ago as a result of a plea to a DWI third, and he was ordered, among other things, to have with him a handheld device that he has been using for the last 5 years. He is requesting to be released on that condition after 5 years. He's got 2 more years left on his probation, and I can represent to the court that during the 5 years that he's been on probation, he has been fully compliant. He paid the $10,000 fine. He paid his court costs. He performed the community service. And of course, he's maintaining that unit, which cost him $140 a month. So everything has been, he has complied with everything that he was ordered to do. And he's asking to be released on the condition of the Smart Start mobile device.
Is the state in agreement with this requested modification, or does the state oppose this?
Your Honor, the state opposes, but I'm also reviewing the last modifications that were made, and it's very clear in the terms and conditions that he's allowed to travel to Spain for work purposes, but it doesn't list any other place. In addition, he's not available here today to report, despite this being on Zoom. And, just like the state is appearing via Zoom, the defendant could also appear via Zoom. But beyond that, we'll leave it up to the court.
Well, on that note, Your Honor, let me chime in, Ms. Ortega. I indicated to you that he's en route. He's in a plane, so he cannot zoom in from a plane. Okay.
And good morning. I'm here. This is Probation Officer Ana Torres for the Probation Department for Mr. Sergio Machado.
Okay. He will be back in Madrid Wednesday.
That is correct. Yes, sir.
Okay, I think what we ought to do is have him involved in the hearing, and let's just hear this on Wednesday.
Very well, sir.
We'll hear everything. He'll have an opportunity to say whatever he wants to say. I'll hear from the probation department and we'll figure out what we're going to do.
Sir, thank you very much.
Okay, if you all just visit with Ms. Hernandez, she'll get things scheduled.
Judge, thank you very much. I appreciate the courtesy. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Judge,
Yeah,
just to let you know, on Wednesdays, you'll handle the civil docket and the tax docket. So is it okay with everyone if we do it on Thursday?
Yes,
yeah, it's okay with me.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
But wherever you can best fit it in to make it work, I can accommodate that.
It would be Thursday morning. I'll send the notice.
thank
All
you.
right.
Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you.